As a business owner, you may receive advances from time to time, but you may not be aware of the processes and taxability defined by the GST law regarding the same. Did you know that you don't have to pay GST when receiving advances for supply of goods but only for services? If not, don't worry. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about advances under GST. Hi everyone, I'm Annapurna from Clear, where we offer products to manage GST compliance for more than 3,000 large enterprises and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. We create videos on tackling GST compliance for businesses, so please subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated about the latest GST changes. Now let's learn about actions to be taken by taxpayers on receipt of advances. The first thing that you will have to do is to issue a receipt voucher to the person paying the advance amount. The receipt voucher shall contain details such as amount of advance, the applicable GST rate if need be, then description of goods or services, etc. You have to calculate tax on advances and pay the same while filing GST returns for the month. Let's see how to calculate GST on advance received, shall we? You have to gross up the advances received. Grossing up means you have to consider advance to be inclusive of GST. When you cannot determine the tax rate during receipt of advance, you have to charge GST at 18%. Also, if you cannot ascertain the point of sale, you have to consider advance as an interstate supply and pay IGST or integrated GST on it. Let's understand the treatment of advance under GST with the help of an example. Suppose you have entered into contract to provide services worth rupees 10 lakh by 20th February. The total invoice value along with GST at 18% is rupees 11 lakh 80,000. You received an amount of advance of rupees 4 lakh on 10 January and balance payment of rupees 7 lakh 80,000 on 20th February. Also, you raised invoice on 20th February. When you gross up the advance of rupees 4 lakh, you will get rupees 61,016 rupees as GST, and you have to pay this GST while filing January month's GSTR 3B. Also, when you gross up balance payment of rupees 7 lakh 80,000, you will get rupees 1 lakh 18,984 as GST, and you have to pay GST while filing February month's GSTR 3B. Suppose you have entered the above contract for supplying goods instead of providing services. As I earlier said, you don't have to pay GST on advances received in this case. However, you have to pay entire GST of rupees 1,80,000 while filing February month's GSTR 3B. It is crucial to note that person paying advance is not eligible to claim ITC on advances paid. However, he can claim ITC on advance paid only upon receiving services. So in the example, recipient will be eligible to claim ITC on the advance in February. I hope you can now deeply understand the treatment of advances under GST. If yes, please write clear in the comment section of this video. If not, please ask your doubts. We'll be happy to clarify them for you. Let's go through the critical points while reporting advances in GSTR 1. You have to submit the advances details for which an invoice is not issued in Part 11A of GSTR 1. You don't have to submit details of each advance, and submitting a cumulative figure of all advances is enough. The advances should be first segregated into interstate and intrastate advances. The gross figure of advances received should be mentioned under gross advances received or adjusted. After this, the tax payable, that is CGST and SGST in case of intrastate and IGST in case of interstate advances, should be stated. The GST on advances is to be added to your tax liability. So that's it on the treatment of advances under GST. Also, if you'd like to file error-free GST returns and claim 100% tax credits, then you must try Clear GST solution. Click on the link provided in the description of this video to request a demo now. Do subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for further GST updates. Thank you.